but it's really quite nice. The only thing is see how the handle doesn't stand straight up, and there's no locking mechanism to do that. So you're going along and it will flop like that. So it's sticking out. So when you're putting stuff on it, you also can't really use this. Like on a dolly, you would, bungee cord stuff to this to keep it on. It does come with bungee cords, so you can put it under and hook it under here. So it does it this way. This I found has fallen. The handle keeps falling, and it's kind of a pain sometimes, especially if you're going through a door or something and you let go of the handle, it flops, and then you have to pick it up. So that's kind of one of the bad things about it. And the other thing is I was using this as for moving, which, by the way, fabulous, fantastic, amazing, moving tubbies and boxes that way. However, the wheels on it, let me show you the wheels. Easy to assemble. You just put these wheels in. They snap in. It doesn't go over transition strips. I was going from house to garage and the transition strip. So you had to kind of basically pick it up and get it over the transition strips. It works fabulous on carpet, on tile, on hardwood floors. It's fantastic. Even on cement, it works amazing. Transition strips, it just needed a little bit bigger wheels to be able to go over transition strips easily. So, with all of that being said, I'm still giving this a 5-star review because it's amazing, it's fantastic, and I love it even better in dolly. So, I call it a trolley. So, I hope you guys enjoy it, and it's a must-have for every household. I'm telling you, you should get this.